I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that.
What's up, everybody? Soundbot the Gamer here, and today we're back with an awesome video. We will not play today in Minecraft, but we will play in Gigabit off-road game. So let's get started. Oh, this is my truck. I know it's a crappy truck, but we can fix it. Oh my god! What's that? Whoa! What's that? Oh no, we're stuck. We're just getting some money. So today we will gonna explore this map and do the missions to have many money like this. It's hard, but for the money. Go! Oh no. We need to put this in low. Yeah. Go. We need to reach that because this truck has no power and has no traction for this. Oh no. This might be hard for this truck. We need to wrench. Yep, over there. If you want to see more videos like this or Minecraft, hit that like, smash that like button, or subscribe to my channel to have daily video, to see my daily videos. But I will not post any daily videos. Maybe we're dead. We're pretty much dead. And yep. Need to get up this hill. There. Woo! New. We're stuck pretty much. Oh, yep. Hey, come on. Come on. Oh, my God. There we go. There you have it. Oh, no. Oh, my gosh. We're dead. Come on, bear. Come on, move. Come on, truck. Yep, I said it, guys. It's a crappy truck. But we will upgrade it in the next video. My gosh. Deep. This is a crappy truck. Super slow. Noise and street. And slow, slow. Don't you dare go down from there. Come on, please. Roar. Boom. I need to reverse. And there we go. And go up now. Yep. So, I think I'm gonna wrap up this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to Somewhat the Gamer. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Goodbye!